wabarakatuh, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, I'm Siti Adhika Binti Muhammad. Today I'm going to give you a speech about water pollution. So, do you know what is water pollution?
No.
So, I will tell you what is water pollution. Water is the most important natural resource for life. Human being need water not only for drinking but also for cooking, washing, irrigation, fishing, and else. People have been abusing and misusing water since long. Industrial waste, garbage, and other remains of useless commodities have been getting dumped in river and ocean, causing contamination of water. It is also contaminated of toxic chemical discharged from factories, pesticides used in agriculture, and so on. Due to the poor water supply system, contact of sewage with the water supply line contaminates water used for drinking. Contaminated water has become a serious threat of human beings, fish, and the animals. The poor and less developed countries are facing greater problem of water pollution as they have dilapidated water treatment and supply system and also lack improper waste disposal system. They dispose water product and garbage straight away in their river and lake. About one third population of the world does not have access of safe water. A very common waterborne disease is diarrhea, which is caused by contaminated water. It is very common in poor countries and in the segment of poor of less developed countries. Development countries are almost free from the problem of water pollution. Pollution of water is in those countries is mainly due to the excessive use of pesticides to protect agriculture crops. Water pollution in this country is not due to the lack of management of garbage, as in the less developed countries, for whom is disposal and treatment enormously unaffordable. However, the developed countries are not confronted with the problem of water contamination as much as the poor ones because they have sufficient resource and efficient technology for treatment and recycling of sewage, garbage, and domestic waste. A team of research at Britain Centre of Ecology and Hydrology and experts from World Water Council introduced a new index of water-rich and water-poor countries. 5 different criteria were used to construct of index: resource, access, use capacity, and environment. This water index is not current with the development index. For example, the US, one of the most developed countries, ranked third on the water index. Experts calculate that 20% of world population in 30 countries face water storage in 2000, which would climb to the 30% in the total of 50 countries by 2025. The Earth Summit held in Johannesburg in September 2002 estimates that by 2015, half of the population of world will be without access to clean water and sanitation. Out of a total of 147 countries, the index ranked Finland at top, followed by Canada, Iceland, Norway, Guyana, Suriname, Australia, Ireland, Sweden, and Switzerland. And from bottom up are Haiti, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Malawi, Djibouti, Chad, Benin, Rwanda, and Burundi. Okay, so that's all my speech about water pollution, and hope all of you will understand what I talk about. So thank you for Lending your eyes, lending your ear, listen my speech. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.